going to apply a range of tools that we use for removing blemishes from images. Now, the obvious application of this is to remove blemishes and spots and things from pictures of people's faces, but I don't think it's entirely appropriate to be doing that to an image, to an image of a person. So I'm going to apply these techniques to a picture of a banana. So let's begin by opening our picture of banana up. Here you can see these bananas here. They have lots of blemishes and marks on them. I'm going to zoom in on that, and I'm just going to concentrate on the middle banana here. Let's begin by looking at the spot healing brush tool here, and what we can do is we can click on some of these marks on the banana and we can just remove them. So there we go. That's pretty straightforward and pretty effective as well. What it's doing is it's copying the color of the pixels around it and then replacing the color that we're trying to get rid of with that other color essentially. So you can see it's replacing the color of the dot of the spot with the colors around it, with the yellow around it. So you can see that we're able to remove those by either dragging or just simply clicking on it. So that's the first tool, the spot healing tool there. We also have the clone stamp tool. This pretty much works the same principle. It copies pixels from adjacent area. But first, what you have to do is you have to hold the Alt key down, choose the area you want to copy from, and then when you've done that, you move to your area that you're moving, and you can see what it's doing is it's copying the value of the pixels where the cross is to the value that you're actually drawing over or where your mouse is. There we go. That's the clone stamp tool, and then the final one I want to look at is this tool here, the blur tool. And with this, what you're doing is you're creating a blur effect, which actually, if you just keep rubbing over a certain area, just removes the spots and dots. What this does, this effect doesn't completely remove the spots, but it probably creates a more realistic effect when you actually ultimately look at it. So by doing that, what you're able to do is remove those blemishes and improve the visual appearance of the banana in this case. So as I said, the obvious applications of these is to apply this to people, and there's really important ethical discussions to be had around that, and having those discussions with the students when we're presenting this is a really important thing to do.